So today's objectives is that students know that organisms resemble their parents and have structures and processes that help them survive within their environment. And then the students are to identify parts of the plant such as roots, stem, and leaves, and parts of an animal such as head, eyes, and limbs. But today we're going to focus on plants and the roots, stem, and leaves. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go outside. We're going to look at all the plants we have outside, and then we're going to observe them and see all the different kinds of leaves and petals and stems that they have. So right here we have a flower, and right here you can see the petals, and right here you see the leaves, and then inside you can see all of the roots where the plant grows from the soil. And as you can tell, class, there's so many different kinds of flowers that have petals, leaves, stems. You can see the stem right there. Right here we have more flowers. You can see all of their stems coming down right there. And right here you see all of the leaves, and then the flower with the petals up here. And then right here you can see their stem. And then right here you can see a little bit of their roots in the soil. So now that we're back inside, we're going to have a little project that we're going to do. Right here we have an empty flower. We have a flower that you have to name all of the petals, the leaves, the stem, the roots. You're going to name the parts of the flower. And then we're going to use this as our these as our word bank. So what we're going to do is, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to trace the letters. We're going to trace the letters just like this. So right here we have the word leaves. And then we're going to do those for the next 4 words, which is petal, stem, and roots. After that, we're going to cut out all of the words so they look like these. We're going to be very careful with the scissors first when we're cutting out these words. And then we are going to, so once we have all of these cut out, we're going to color our flower so it looks like this. We're going to have our name and the date on the top. We're going to color our flower, and then if we have time after, we're going to glue on where the words go. So right here it says roots, so we're going to put that where the roots are. We're going to put these where the petals are, the leaves, and the stem. You're going to glue them to your paper, and they should end up looking like this. Everything should be labeled and colored. Neatness does count. And then for your homework, boys and girls, you're going to go home and let your parents know that you have to go outside and observe all the flowers that you have in your yard or around the park. And you have to explain to them what is the petal, where's the stem, where are the leaves at, and where are the roots at. And what the roots do, the petals do, and what the stem does for the flower.